Today I had missed that. Take out this, and tomorrow in the morning I'll give you the remaining question. Nationalism in Europe. Brought. If not brought, they would have brought it today. Because they so can be brought here, collect and bring the book. जिसके इसके पास होगा हम I don't need the book, but then bring for use of that. Bring some. Switch on. The timing switch on. So nationalism is the sense of collective belonging. Second thing, I want this collectiveness to be developed. If you want to put me up into a particular bracket, who am I? I'm a person who wants this collective belonging to be created. A sense and emotion should be created in which we are all belonging to a particular nation, a particular group, a particular community. I want this feeling to be developed among you. Who are you? You are the people. Who am I? I am the revolutionary. These are all what I am time and again repeating. These are all 1 mark question also from this chapter. Now, which class did I belong to? That I will be going into the later part. Now, if I want you to develop that sense of collective identity, as I had given you the example on the previous day, that whatever happens in one part of the world or in India, good or bad, good we are celebrating, rejoicing, bad we are lamenting, we are feeling sad, we are also criticizing. So it means that we are definitely connected with them and to them sentimentally also. Okay? That is, this sentimental attachment is required to be developed as per my understanding. Then why? This is the main question. If who find I am, who am I? I am a revolutionary who want to bring the change. But then in order to bring the change, I need the support of collective support of everybody. If not everybody, then majority for sure. Reason is simple. If you people are divided among yourself, which you were already, first state was divided, second state was divided, means two very influential persons or the group were divided though among themselves, but they were united between them or among them, divided between these three groups, but they were both united among them on the way of what? On the virtue of, in the method of their common lifestyle, they were rich, one commonness. So second thing out of this discussion we have discovered that some sort of commonness is very necessary in order to establish and develop that sense of collective identity. These things are very discouraging now, but I am still not discouraged. I know that task would be very challenging for me to bring all of you coming on a common platform. It is a difficult challenge. Why? Because you are already divided into three categories. But one common thing is that in both this group and this group, though they are technically called as clergy and nobles, this is the common man. But one common thing is here also, here also. Here is richness, here is poverty. So no matter who you are, because why I am telling like this one, the third state we are also further subdivided into three parts. But then these three people or the three categories within one single category, task would be very challenging. But some sort of commonness is a type of magnet that would bring you together. For example, all of you are sitting over here, coming from the different destinations of Buddha. Fine. You have you see the singular identity and priority. As an individual, somebody is coming from this locality, somebody from that locality, somebody from different other localities, started their journey towards the school. Okay, on the way you are finding many schools, maybe from your home to here, you are finding many schools. Your purpose is to go to school, suppose. Why not you have been going to another school? Why all of you came here? Some sort of commonness is there. You see, the common thing among the differences had brought you together. So that commonness could be a sort of magnet that may attract different or diversities or differences. On the way you have another school, on the way there were many children parks and grounds and other attractions outside that were good enough to tempt you to go and enjoy those outside beauty, pleasant air, nature, the birds chirping, the players playing, the everybody morning walk, this, that, many attractions were there. But all of you came here. Okay, then coming here is one. Second commonness you see. After coming to the school, entered into this campus, one common is what? All of you are being studying in this school, that is Bharat. Okay. Second common thing. After entering into the campus, the students, all these students coming from different, that is what I am highlighting the word different, yet something common, because this common thing will develop this collective belonging. You all collectively belong to our school. This school is some commonness connecting you together. Individually different. Somebody is girl, somebody is boy, somebody has some other priority, somebody has been coming from a good family, well-to-do family, not so good family, good in the sense of economic richness, some very luxurious family, somebody coming on food, somebody coming self, somebody coming in a luxurious vehicle, somebody is coming in a school vehicle, somebody by bicycle. There are plenty of differences possible. But all of you have been coming together and entering into this campus. After entering into the campus, on the way you are finding many other rooms which is called classroom. You may very easily go to that block, but you did not go there. After coming, you straight forward headed towards this block, first thing. Now this block, many students headed towards this. All those entered are the students of Bharat Bharati. They all headed towards this block. Somebody went, then once again bifurcated. Somebody went to the first floor, somebody came to the top floor. After coming to the top floor, somebody came and sat here, somebody went outside. Went to some another room. Some sort of reason, that is why I had used the word magnet. Some commonness has been pulling you together. Okay. So if the commonness could be discovered or highlighted or stressed upon or emphasized, then even these divided people can be united. Though the task may be very challenging, though the task may be difficult. But that is what our task is first. Because I had two goals. As a revolutionary, we had discussed it yesterday. First of all, to develop nation state, that is independent united country, and second, to establish people's rule, that is democracy, people's government. Because everywhere there where the monarchy or non-democracy, and non-democracy we have been giving the birth to many inequalities. Somebody were enjoying privileges based on birth, and somebody really deserving the good lifestyle, they have been denied simply because they were laboring hard. They were very, perspiring and very great entrepreneurs. They are doing a lot of things for the country. They are rather producing the food for the country but sleeping hungry. Okay? This is not their destiny. This is the defect of the system which was taking the favor of one over others. You need to break the system. And these are all the possible, clues for me that if I could exploit, I can bring the people together. If the people are being brought together, I can first of all throw away this government and then bring and install your government. Coming back to France. Because France, you had only one task. Throwing away monarchy and establishing democracy. But in other countries like India, you have a two role to play, two tasks in your hands. You have to first of all throw away the foreign powers. And then establishing democracy, making your country independent, unite those differences, different units, and then install your government. But whatever the goals you have, that is revolutionary have, for that one they needed the support and collective belonging of the people. Now coming back to the next one, which was not easy. People were not free. People were not free in France. Now coming back to France. How? How could you understand that you are not free? You are also being looked like as I am. There is nothing chained, nothing sort of a thing tied across our body. How can I conclude that somebody is not free, somebody is free? No idea. That was actually somewhere in the system of monarchy. Then monarchy, not only the system of monarchy, but monarchs were the another trouble or challenge was, the monarchs were the highly respectful persons, respected people. They were near to the God. But they were the storehouse of many defects. In order to solve those defects, you need to throw away monarchy. Take this chalk and throw it away. Very easily can be thrown away. Throw away the monarchy. And another statement, take this chalk, throw away and bring sanitizer. Can be done easily. Because both of them are physical entity and both of them are visible. If a command is being given is necessary for your survival is the throwing away of the chalk and drinking of the sanitizer, you can execute the command and you can do both the things. But throw away slavery and bring liberty, you are confused. Because the moment you are throwing away slavery and bringing liberty, half of your problem will be solved. This is the command given by the revolutionaries. This is the statement given by the revolutionaries. This was the idea given by the revolutionaries. In fact, this was the solution given by the revolutionaries for the troubles and problems faced by the common people or third estate people. I am confused. Where? Because in order to mine it, in order to let you understand something, you need to be educated and literate also. Now we are all supposedly educated, more educated and more literate than our predecessors or those people in the past. Can you tell me where is liberty? Forget about them. please let us go and fight for liberty. What does it mean, sir? Who will explain? And you will find that there could be, first of all, various explanations to this answer if somebody is attempting. But many of you are finding it difficult to explain what is liberty. I am talking in modern times, where we are supposedly more literate, more educated. Even we are confused to understand what actual liberty is. Who will say? Just starting. Which of these one? Here on the name. Is the Frederick Sordio. Spelling maybe? Who? These are the French spelling. Spellings are not. Okay, tell me. Correct. F-R-E-D-E-R-I-C. Frederick. Okay. S-O-U-R-R-I-E-U. Okay. So this person has drawn a picture. This picture is needed to is playing a very important role whenever you want to bring in somebody's mind about any abstract concept. Let us fight for the chalk is visible, you can fight for it. मेरा सीट है, दिख रहा है मेरा सीट है, इसलिए we can fight for it. But then let us fight for India. Where is India? Who will show me where India is? Chalo, let us fight for India. It's our country, let us fight for India. Where is India? Who will take me to India here? Raise your hand and take me to India. See the difficulty level. Is there anybody who can take me to India today? Now, right now in the class. Can you? I'm ready to fight for the country, India. You are an Indian? Are you? Yes. It means that who are Indian? Who are Indian? A person belonging to India. It means that you belong to India. Will you show me? It is anything belonging to you. Please show me. That bags belong to you. Where is your bag, sir? This is my bag. Where is your pencil? This is my pencil. Where is your India? Silent. So where? What is that?
We are living in that country.
Okay, you are living in Gurgaon. This is. I think where are you living actually? From where you are? अभी नीरज सर आए थे ना? कौन कहाँ से आता है? Who is coming from this side? Neeraj sir came just now. He was collecting the address. That address means where you are living. क्या लिखा है उनको? India लिखा है कौन raise your hand? Have you told sir I am living in India? वो फिर तब हमको झूठ का बोल रहा है, उनको कुछ और बोल रहा है, हमको कुछ और बोल रहा है. This is the difficulty. Abstract idea is always been difficult to incorporate in your mind. तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या करने लगा? तुमको क्या हो गया? Pardon?
Not feeling well.
Yeah, feel well. Feel well. That is what I'm encouraging. It's necessary for us to feel well for your feeling. Okay, sit down. Relax. So, this is, abstract idea needed to be put into your mind first. Because unless you don't think about something, how could you fight about that something? Let us fight for liberty. Let us fight for freedom. अब ये कि we are not free. अब समझ ही नहीं रहे हम लोग we are not free. फ्री का तो मतलब होता है जो प्रसाद सब मिलता है सर फ्री में मिलता है, सब पैसा नहीं लगता है. Okay, this samosa is not free. We are not free, so we are samosas. Is that? There could be various explanations to that. In order to, and who are confused? We so-called literate, more educated, more advanced, more modern than these people are confused even today. Forget about these people to bring together. Who were very illiterate and who were very rock solid into their demand, into their minds that this monarch, the Louis XVI is the representative of God. Forget about भगवान के खिलाफ तो कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हो. ठीक है, तो हो गया. और ये इवन फॉर हर डिफिकल्टी की सजा की दवा तुम भगवान से ही मांगते हो. माता रानी इस बार कोरोना को भगा दीजिए. ठीक है, माने इवन इफ यू आर बीन आस्किंग फॉर, कौन कौन हाथ उठा करके बोलो कि इसने बोला हे भगवान आप ही ने कोरोना भेजा, भेजने के लिए वुहान चाइना, भगाने के लिए भगवान. दिस इज योर फेथ. वी हैड स्टडीड अबाउट द फेथ इन गॉड. ओके, सो दिस फेथ इज सो रॉक सॉलिड that it is almost impossible to swap it from your mind. And if this is not going, how could you bring democracy, gentlemen? Democracy is opposite to monarchy. Monarchy, if it stays, democracy cannot be installed. One has to go to give the space to others. And impossible for him to go. Because the way you adore him, the way you respect him, the way you care for him, and sentimentally and mentally you feel bad, feel as a curse, something wrong would happen if you say something against him. भगाना तो दूर का बात छोड़ दो, अगर कुछ गलत बोला या सोचा तो पाप लिखेंगे भगवान. बोलते हो ना, ऐसा करना भी नहीं. तो पेन कॉपी लेके बैठे तुरंत लिख देंगे पाप immediate. Okay, so you are fearing also God. That is what I mean to say. In the presence of all these things, can you dare to throw it away? No. And if you are not really going, then Rousseau, Montesquieu, Voltaire, क्या कर लेगा? कुछ नहीं कर सकता. So then I'll have to. That is what I had given you the example. Your this problem is to be connected with the God. Imagine. If Lenko would not have been given 70 pesos, his concept and belief in the God would have been a little bit shaken, and that is one of the themes of that story. Okay? So in order to let your faith in God stay as it is, this postman has helped him. Rather, the postmaster had helped him. Okay? Just opposite would have been also true. नहीं मिलता, एक को पैसा नहीं देता, एक पैसों भी नहीं देता, गड़बड़ हो जाती पूरी बात. ओके, तो दिस इज व्हाई बिकॉज ही हैड टू स्टार्व आफ्टर दैट. हु लेनको, यहाँ तो ऑलरेडी स्टार्विंग हो रहा है. इसका तो 1 साल का बात है सर, अब साल भर क्या खाएंगे, नहीं ना बात था. यहाँ तो सालों से नहीं खा रहे हैं. दैट इज सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस. वी हैड स्टडीड. So that would be if connected to the failure of monarchs. Then we can bring revolution and we can actually bring the people together. Okay, that is what. So सबसे पहले आइडिया डालने पड़ते हैं दिमाग में. Abstract idea. I don't know, उधर मत जाना, उधर खतरा है, इधर सर खतरा है. कहाँ दिखता है? उधर दरवाजा है, उधर डेस्क है, उधर ये है, वो है. खतरा किधर दिख रहा है? We don't know where that danger is. Okay. So in order to let you understand the danger, तब हमने क्या बना दिया? वो my drawing is very bad. कुछ बना दिया इस तरह का danger type का कुछ, skull with the cross bones, red, and then यहाँ कुछ नहीं लिखा है. People will understand what is this? Danger. Okay, so this is what the pictorial presentation of the ideas. To let you understand about, because अब ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं सर? आप डेंजर भी तो लिख सकते थे. You could have write it like that one, but the problem, because most of you are illiterate, most of you are common people, most of you are hungry people, forget about the rate of literacy. You could not read this one. Okay. अब इसी को मान लो कुछ इस तरह का मैं चाइनीज टाइप में डेंजर लिखे पढ़ सकेगा? क्या लिखा हुआ है? इसको पढ़ लिया या नहीं, हिंदी पढ़ लिया या नहीं, इस चाइनीज में लिखे तो पढ़ सकता है? नहीं पढ़ सकता. हम भी लिख दिए क्योंकि तुम लोग भी नहीं जानना जानता तो हम भी नहीं लिख सकते. क्योंकि बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट नहीं, तुम भी नहीं जानता. आई कुड राइट एनीथिंग इज कॉल्ड अ चाइनीज. तो हो गया ना सर. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हाट? Let you, but purpose is to let you are not focusing. कोई पूछा यहाँ पर कि सर इधर आपको सर चाइनीज भी आता है सर? तो नहीं जानते थे, आप जान गए ये बात. कोई नहीं पूछा, because everybody is been focusing on the explanation that I want to let you know about the danger. So that danger is been incorporated. अब देखो ध्यान से, that is the answer to the question. Friedrich Sorel, first point of the answer, in 1848 presented a series of 4 pictures back to back. One of them came there, which is called, the name of this one, that is called Social and Democratic Republic. Is it?
Yes, sir.
क्या गिरेगा नहीं ना?
Democratic and Social Republic.
Okay, fine, thank you. Democratic and Social Republic. दोनों का मतलब एक ही हुआ, लेकिन भाई बोला है तो मानना तो उसी का बात पड़ेगा, वो जो जैसे बोला था. ओके, so that is why here this is the another one. He has presented a picture, painted a picture, because sometimes when for the first time you need to incorporate in somebody's mind any abstract idea, you have to take the help of the pictures. Bundle of rods, unity. किसान वाला कहानी सुने ना, बेटा सब लड़ता था, अब बेटा को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है कि यूनिटी, स्ट्रेंथ लाइज इन यूनिटी. ना तो उसको यूनिटी दिख रहा है ना स्ट्रेंथ दिख रहा है. तब फार्मर ने उसको समझाया, देखो एक लकड़ी लोगे टूट जाएगा, दो तोड़ नहीं पाओगे, तब मिलाकर तो मिलकर रहोगे इज द यूनिटी, और तब ताकतवर बना रहेगा इज द स्ट्रेंथ. तब समझ गया वो, क्योंकि दिस इज व्हाट you need to understand, you need to communicate to the people whenever you are wanting to communicate any abstract ideas. This is abstract idea. Democracy लाएंगे. तुम क्या जानते हो डेमोक्रेसी? तो पहली बार वर्ड है सुने तुम लोग. तुम तो जानते थे कि भाई राजा साहब हैं, यही मालिक हैं, जो बोलते हैं यही उनको मानना है. That was actually the system in those days. अब इस पिक्चर में क्या है, इसने एक बनाया, वो आता नहीं है बनाने, बट दिस इज स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी. Alas, I could have also a good painter or a drawer, and the classes would have been more interesting than this. Anyways, so in this picture, this is your, okay, yes, this is your answer to the question. Okay, in one hand, she has been given the torch of enlightenment. And in other hand, charter of the rights of men and women. याद करो था ना, उसे वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बोले थे लास्ट ईयर वी हैड स्टडी. यानी कुल मिला चार्टर इज द रूल बुक. रूल एक हाथ में रूल बुक दे दिया, एक हाथ में एनलाइटमेंट दे दिया, ये बताने के लिए कि ये जो है यही ज्ञान है, ये अंधकार है. As long as you are somewhere under monarchy, you are still been living in a world of ignorance. तुमको कोई चीज पता नहीं है, बकवास करते हो, तुमको ज्ञान है, कोई ज्ञान ही नहीं है. जब तक तुमको ज्ञान नहीं हुआ तब तक तुम क्या कहलाए? सिद्धार्थ. जैसे ही ज्ञान हो गया बन गया लॉर्ड बुद्धा. इंग्लिश में क्या लिखते हैं? बुद्धा द इनलाइटेंड वन. कहते हैं क्योंकि he got बुद्धि, he got knowledge, and that is why he became Buddha. Okay? It means that you don't have the knowledge. You are living. If you are living, so first of all, what I started doing, I started putting in your mind gradually but very carefully the idea of, liberty, equality, praising my liberty and criticizing your monarchy. लेकिन तुरंत नहीं तो डेंजरस हो जाता. धीरे धीरे करके दिमाग में डाल रहे हैं. उसके बाद
comes where like
अब एक आदमी का भी पिक्चर बिकॉज इट इज द पीपल द प्रोसेसन ऑफ द पीपल जो किताब में लिखा हुआ है लॉन्ग रेंज प्रोसेसन ऑफ द पीपल में बोथ मेन एंड वुमेन दोनों marching in a long group and their destination was the Statue of Liberty. Means as long as you have not reached this liberty,
here liberty so is democracy.
yes, as long as you are not reaching here, your journey of life is not completed. तो तुम अभी अधूरा जब पहुंचा ही नहीं है मंजिल पर तो कैसे तुमको कुछ मिलेगा पहले मंजिल पे तो पहुंचो तुम तो ये रास्ता में कोई मिला है को हसदिया मिला जिसको भगवान मान लिया ठीक है दिस इज हसदिया इज अ स्टॉप ओवर आई वांट टू करप्ट द इमेज ऑफ monarchs into your mind then only it will be replaced by democracy and the most effective way of that corrupting the image is to use that hunger of yours. I started this.
It's the
Sorry.
last 45.
I have to go there. 9.